Whoa. All my homies headed to the same thing, chasing money, yeah, we got the same dream.
Yo, what is going on? I do have a broken computer right now. I am editing today's vlog. Johnny and his brother are making some music or something, I guess. Anyways, yeah, so tonight's vlog is being edited right now. I just wanted to show you guys my computer. I gotta do the whole thing, but I will include it in the vlog. What's going on, man? You wanna be on the vlog? This is the vlog right here. This is the vlog. This is going on right before this vlog. Do you have anything to say, my man?
Don't record my dog, man.
I'm gonna record your dog any day I want, man. Yeah, yeah. I wanted to try something new, and it seems a little weird, but I'm gonna visualize you guys from now on standing in front of me. I think it's a good technique because I'm not gonna be able to do it 24/7 because I'm doing it right now. I'm thinking about a lot's going on. I'm thinking about what I'm talking about. I'm thinking about how I'm holding my camera and everything. Background, I'm looking up here. If you guys notice a change, let me know down in the comments. I'm gonna do it for you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna do it right now. And that's really cool. That's a lot of people, you guys. So hopefully it's more genuine from here on out. Welcome back. It is currently Thursday right now. I do have a couple boxes behind me here. I'm not sure if I opened this up last time, but we did get our LYV beanie in. Very excited. I'm gonna throw the unboxing up. What the heck is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another vlog with Drew Solomon. Yours truly. You know what it's all about. Live your vision, and that's what I need you guys to be doing every single day. It is the LYV gang. That is what we're all about. If you guys like some of my shirts and stuff, go ahead and add me on Instagram. That's what today's video is gonna be all about. Is my freaking unboxing. It's not going to be another shirt. It's not going to be pants or anything. It's gonna be an accessory. I'm extremely excited. Let's get right into this. This is extremely monumental to me because this is embroidered. This is not screen printed or just like regular printed on there. Like, this is a big deal. So this is directly from California. Hashtag LYV gang. You know what it's all about. We out here. Cool. So hope your guys' New Year's going good. I'm gonna slowly unbox this, and I want to let you guys know to leave down in the comments what you guys like to see. Oh my goodness. That's really cool. This is exactly what you guys will be getting as well. Some car stuff. We got some tattoo stuff. Lots of art, clothing. That's what it's all about. All this stuff is incredibly exciting. We out. Alright, let's open this up. This is a big deal, you guys. Like, you have no idea. Alright, so it's not white. Let's see if we can get the camera to... It's a cream white. Ooh, yeah, boy. Look at that, you guys. I am incredibly stoked, you guys. Like, look at this. Look at that. That is so sick. All you see is the red, and then you go up closer. That is literally our logo, you guys. Oh my gosh. This is... I'm not even gonna open it up on here because I'm gonna take some pictures with it. But I think you guys get the point. Like this beanie. It's very quality, and I want to show you guys like maybe the inside and just how soft it is. But obviously you guys can tell that material. But I feel like obviously you guys can tell this material is incredibly soft. So I guess that wraps it up for this part of the video. Like I said, let me know if you guys want anything. I can definitely, if what you see on video is what you guys can get, disregarding this shirt right here, but like this one, or if I'm wearing that black one, and yeah, if I'm ever wearing the long sleeve, and it looks like that, I don't know if I have any, it's the red and white, it's like this, but a black or a white long sleeve. We can't, I don't have any more of those, but other than that, everything you guys see from here on out should be available to you guys, as well as the fact that I am getting rid of a lot of my clothes. I have to keep some of my clothes for work, like this one I want to keep because it's primitive and stuff, but I'm literally just gonna be pants, and then I gotta build like a wardrobe around LOV apparel. That's really the whole goal, is like Live Your Vision should be kind of like some sick options for like if you want cheaper things, or if you want some like higher quality stuff, such as these shorts. I have no idea what it is. I guess let's use some of my keys here. Let's move this out of the way for now. And yeah, this is a little easier doing a vlog like this, like really cheap random stuff sent to me all the time. I would actually really enjoy unboxings. Really enjoy them. Might have to cut out like certain parts of this clip here. Hopefully it makes sense because I do have my address on here. But yeah, don't stop me, guys. ECS tuning, we know what it's gonna be. It's gonna be for my car. We got some bubble here. I don't know what it is. Ooh, oh yes, it's the manual. Heck yeah. Okay, thanks, Dad. I love it. $100 wine voucher. Naked Wines. Whoa, really? You're kidding. I'm actually kind of down with this. I don't like wine, but $100 worth of wine? Shit. Ooh, it's hardcover too. I don't know if that really makes a difference. Alright. Before this video starts, I just want to give a huge shout out to the people that stay tuned every single video, no matter what. You guys can definitely purchase this. Everything's gonna have to be going through my Instagram as far as that goes. I want to do other stuff as well, but my collection of 6 items, our collection, because Alonzo's coming out with, we're going to have him do the long sleeve as well as the short sleeve, so we'll get his design out, and I'm really excited for that. But yeah, so stay tuned for the 6 things. You guys already know what they're about. This is one of them. Very cool design. Then we got the red with the white, and then yeah, just stay tuned. So what we got here is my package. It takes about a couple weeks to ship. This one's kind of the same thing, but these guys, the shirts, are going to be a lower priced item, so you guys can definitely check those out for cheaper. Alright, so in the bag we got here, you know, your paperwork, your receipts, and all that good stuff, and just, you know, just other designs. I do go a different route to get these shipped out to you guys, so the packaging is going to be a little different, varied per thing, but this is how we do it here. So alright, let's go ahead and open the bag up here. And this is what we got. Yeah, boy. Okay. On the Champion shorts, we got both logos all up in this. We got the LYB logo. We got the LYB stretch logo. Like, we got all the LYB logos all up in this right now. This came out just as I expected. These right here, you guys, I think I might just, crap. I need to be printing more of these because this is incredible right now. Right on your Champion right here. So, and guess what? It's on both sides. I got a large. These are gonna be big, but I kind of like bigger shorts. So I guess, let me go ahead inside and go throw them on really quick. You guys know what Champion shorts are. We came up with them where there's no pockets though. We had them in gym, at school, in PE or whatever. You know what to expect as far as pickup. You guys, look, I'm fitted right now in LYB gear. I gotta take a damn picture. This is sick. You guys, look at this. This is one of the greatest days of my life. Like, I have my own clothing. Like, this is incredible. All right. This right here, this is just my life, you guys. These are the things, these are the reasons why I do things, and if, sorry about the crap in the background, but talking to you guys, doing this channel is everything to me. So if you guys want to support your boy, cop some stuff that I'm making. I'm really going to be coming out with some legitimate stuff. I want it reasonably priced, and I'm just doing my best to get my message out there, and our message, and it's incredible. I have this platform to talk to so many different people and have this voice. This is what I want to do. You're looking at them. My car and my clothing, I apologize for my leg, are my dreams. And if you guys want to ride along and see how I've come this far, watch my previous videos, subscribe, like, comment, and just see like how I can continue making things like this more and more possible for you guys as well as me. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep dropping stuff, and this is probably why I think my stuff is the hardest in the game. My video's a little like laid back right now, and I do apologize, and I will do the hype stuff, and I will be like doing like real work too, but I like to stay really diverse in my channel, our channel, and I like to tell people what I film is personally what I want to see on YouTube. And you know, I basically given you guys all the tools for you guys to start your own if you really wanted to. But we'll always take suggestions, you guys. I will always take comments. I'd rather have those than not, but I'm gonna listen and take them. I will see if they're valid basically, and go from there, like a genuine evaluation to see if they're valid or not. But like I said, I'd much rather have them than not. And we should definitely be just leaving any comments that you want to see. Like, that's the easiest thing, personally. Like, I'm a small YouTuber. I will respond to your comment if you're watching right now. No matter what. Like, even if I was big, like, that's just how I am, even. So, lucky for you guys. Let's make that happen. And I guess that kind of wraps it up for today's video. I really do apologize. I wasn't really working on my car a whole lot, but these shorts are just too incredible not to post. And I really think you guys, if you're interested in them, follow me on Instagram. Go to my link down below in the description. I just sell them personally. I do everything myself. So you just have to direct message me on Instagram. It's really that easy. And I will respond to you. And you know, like, obviously I would set up a website if I had a bunch of people wanting stuff, but there's not time for that. You gotta build, you gotta establish yourself, and have like a lot of like kid-friendly stuff or like super like female stuff. But I do plan on coming out with a shirt and some options for that, as well as like kids can definitely like, they could still wear this, you know. It's not like aggressive in a bad way, but that definitely wraps it up for today. Let's go ahead and pick up Monday's vlog. I'm gonna start working on my sunroof and also like headlight. I'm starting to work on my car a lot. I'm sorry I'm not looking at the camera. I just know that you could just expect next video to be sunroof headliner stuff. So that's really exciting, part 1 to that, and I really enjoy talking to you guys. I will pull out the camera more often and keep it more genuine. We'll see you guys Monday. I'll see you guys Monday. Peace out.